Hey there. I hope you enjoyed the previous video where I tell you what exactly is ChatGPT. In this video, let's dive into how to actually use it. Now, whether you want help writing, learning something new, or just having a fun conversation, ChatGPT makes it simple. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start a conversation with ChatGPT, how to make the most of its features. Let's get started. To begin with, just go to chat.openai.com on your browser. If you don't have an account yet, you can try it even without signing up. But to save your chats and getting a more personalized response, I highly recommend creating a free account. Just click sign up, enter your email, set a password, verify your email. Once you log in, you'll see that the chat interface is ready for you to start a conversation. Now let's go ahead and ask your first question to ChatGPT. Now using ChatGPT is as easy as texting a friend. Just type a question or request in the chat box. For example, let's say you need to create a mail to your boss about a salary raise. Very simple. All you need to do is actually just write in a simple manner, asking it to write a professional mail to the boss requesting a meeting to discuss my performance and a possibly salary hike. And there you have it. The mail is ready within seconds. Just look at that. I believe it would be beneficial to review my contributions. I would appreciate the opportunity to have the conversation about my progress and the potential for a compensation adjustment. So, all the key items are put over there, but let's say you want to adjust the tone a little bit. So, I'm just going to ask it right now to change the tone as formal but still appreciative of the efforts that the boss has done. So there we have the email that is generated, which actually appreciates the boss. Yeah, the appreciates the boss and all the opportunities given to the person to review the progress, blah blah blah. See how much has been done. Now, there are multiple ways in which ChatGPT now just takes in your feedback and then tailors a response to better match your needs. There are practical ways in which, or should I say, many ways in which you can use ChatGPT. Let's say you want to learn something new, just ask ChatGPT. Let's say I want to learn quantum physics. I would just say, explain quantum physics in simple terms. Oh my, too technical for me. So I'm going to say, okay, I know that you know what you're talking about, but explain like how you would to a 10-year-old. Now the same topic has actually been broken down into simpler sentences that even a 10-year-old can understand. Can you just check that out? It gives you an example, it helps you analogy, and there you have it. Now, let's say you want to generate a few ideas, you want help or inspiration to think about something. So you can actually ask ChatGPT, give me a few ideas for maybe a side hustle that you're planning. So brainstorm with me, give me 5 creative side hustle ideas, and there you have it. Let's say you don't like one of those ideas, you could actually ask ChatGPT to refine its ideas based on an interest that you have. So that is one way to take it forward. Let's say you're preparing for an interview. You could actually ask ChatGPT to come up with a few common questions for maybe a marketing job. ChatGPT will even actually craft the answers that you need. So whatever you need, just type it in and ChatGPT will generate a response for you. Now, let's say you're not happy with the response, you can actually refine it in a very easy manner. I am actually planning a family trip to Hong Kong in the month of May, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to create the travel itinerary for me for a week. So I'm planning a trip to Hong Kong. It's a family trip with 2 kids aged 12 and 4. Help me plan a week-long itinerary that will help everyone enjoy the trip. So there you have it. Within minutes, I have day one, day two, three, four, five, and as you can see it, a 7 day long itinerary created that includes everything that I can do in those 7 days at Hong Kong. And it actually even tells me what I should do. I should also check out the octopus card. I should actually pack light clothes because the temperature there is warm and humid. And also check out what dim sums, cultural food that's there, mango pudding. Yum. And let's say I am someone who actually want to explore the history of the place. So I could just simply write saying, you know, um, I like the itinerary that you created, but include places that highlight the history. So there you have it. It has now created a response that actually matches my preference. Now, which is why ChatGPT is a very interactive tool. You don't have to settle for the first answer. You can keep refining until you get what you need. And what makes it more special is that you can actually have a lot of conversations with ChatGPT. Now, if let's say you're using the paid version, there are multiple more features that you can use. Now, as you can see, here is the paid subscription that I have for ChatGPT. And here, as you can see, on the top left corner, you can see the new chats where you can start a new conversation. You can actually save and revisit old chats. All your past conversations are available there. And you can actually create even creative projects like maybe generate poetry, short stories, or even jokes. So if you're on the premium plan, you might also have an access to the image generation where ChatGPT creates pictures based on the descriptions, or even Sora, which can actually create realistic and imaginative videos based on the text prompts that you give. So that's all you need to know about how to start using ChatGPT. So, like I was just telling you, it's like having a personal assistant, tutor, and a brainstorming partner all in one. So, go to ChatGPT, start a conversation, explore what it can do for you, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.